The following content is an unapologetic promotion of a cherished friend. So if you're not into that kind of stuff, then just to exit stage left. I learned about the Restore when I first met its inventor, Robert, out at SEMA in, I think it was 2018 or 2019. I was welding live for SEMA in their booth and got to hang out and meet him, which was way cool. We completely bonded over our love of craftsmanship, of invention, and innovation. And as you can tell, I have been using my Restore extensively since then, and really just absolutely love this for so many different reasons. The first thing is, like, the cord's 10 foot long, which is definitely a lot better when you get into working, and especially when you're doing graining. And like for me, I use it for majority of it. I'm using it for cleaning off my benches and making sure that they're cleaned before I start working, to keep and make sure that my sculptures are safe as I'm working around my bench. You just don't want to slide your material across it. You end up putting giant gouges in it, and trust me, you don't want to do that. I've used it through a lot of different sculptures for graining and for surfacing material. Let's see, the all gas sign, I loved it for that because I used this wire, like this gnarly wire brush, and what's amazing is it's super easy to use these. You just simply pop one roll off, sandpaper, which is what I was using last to get the rust off my bench. Look at that, so bad. But they just slide right on. Just snap the new one on, whichever one you decide. And voila, simple as that, easy to go. Well, this one's been so great for me. I've loved it so much that I asked Robert to get his newest Restore, which is battery operated. So I am gonna show you what that looks like, and I'm gonna take a peek myself. So I'm super stoked about this. All right, y'all, here is the first look at the Restore. This is pretty sweet, 20 volt. Brushless. It includes the battery charger, which is a huge bonus because we know how expensive those can get for some tools. So it's great that it just includes it. It's got variable speed, and it what's really great is this is these the accessories for this one is the same exact accessories I got that I can use for the other one. So I've got some new brushes. However, I'm going to savor those because I can use my brushes that I'm still using on this one. Same exact, and also same thing, no tools needed, which is fantastic. I don't have to worry about losing that stuff. So let's take it out of the box and play with it. Huge bonus, it comes with a sticker to feed my addiction. All right, so right out the box, I have not charged this up. Slapped the battery in it because I'm an animal. Comes with a roller. This is what you put the sandpaper on, and it's got several grits of sandpaper. I'm going to use, this is my old one off the corded Restore. This is for removal of rust and paint. And I love that they all just fit the same ones, because now I already have a bunch of tools for, or a bunch of wheels for it, so it's exciting that they all fit. All right, so trigger, thumb lock, and you have a speed adjustment. Slicker than snot. This one actually has a little wheel on the back that allows you to keep yourself level and straight as you're going. Instead of having to hold it, it gives you just the right angle for it, which is just a fantastic upgrade to it. So I love that part. All right, y'all, there you have it. Highly recommend this tool. Now, I've not tested the durability of the battery. Obviously, like I said, I did not charge this before. This is right out of the box and up and running. However, knowing that Robert has just such an intense attention to detail and craftsmanship, I know that this is going to last me a long, long time of joyful restoring and making old stuff new again. So hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you, Robert, for the incredible invention. I love my restorer. I love both of my restorers now. So grateful for you and grateful to have this handy tool for my shop to keep all that Florida rust off of my stuff. Happy welding, y'all. Stay excellent to yourself. Stay excellent to each other. Do something today to make it a masterpiece.